Hey, Ollie.
If you don't stop bothering me, I'm going to punch you in the nose.
Didn't I tell you to quit that? Oh. You'll hear about this later.
Hey, Lugs. When you get through with that washing, the cook wants you to manicure them vegetables for tomorrow's stew.
I beg your pardon?
You heard.
Well, can you beat that? How do you think we're going to do all this
Stanley,
washing?
I feel something coming over me.
You do?
A miracle has happened.
What?
I've completely forgotten.
You mean you've forgotten Georgette?
Who's Georgette?
Gee, that's swell. Now we can finish the washing and we can go home.
Finish nothing. We're going now.
Now you're talking. Absolutely. And I found them asleep. And when I told them to go back to work, they threw wet laundry in my face.
Oh, they did, eh? Well, I'll show them what it means to disobey my orders.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Gee, I'm sure glad to get out of this joint.
Me too. Have you got everything?
Uh-huh.
Now we'll go over to that commandant guy and tell him we're through, and at the same time, I'll give him a piece of my mind.
I don't blame you. 3 cents a day.
Ha! Left turn. Left.
Turn out the guard and place them both under arrest.
Yes, sir.
Say, what's the big idea of keeping us waiting?
You know what?
What?
He's not here.
Of course he's not here.
Well, let's go look for him.
Look, nothing. I'll leave him a note.
Oh, I wouldn't bother to leave him a note. Just leave him a P.S.
Oh.
It's good enough for him.
Now he can put that in his pipe and smoke it.
Maybe he doesn't smoke a pipe.
Well, whatever, he smokes it in.
Well, you got to be careful about those things. What did you say in the note, Ollie?
I said plenty, and if I could have spelled raspberry, I'd have told him a lot more.
That'll learn him. 3 cents a day.
Right.
Never during my army career have I been so grossly insulted. Just wait till I get my hands on them.
Attention!
sky. I ain't had no loving since January, April, June or July. Snow time, tain't no time to stay outdoors and spoon. Shine on, harvest moon for me and my gal.
What time the train leaves for Paris?
The sooner the better for me. Say, which way to the depot?
Just around the corner.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Let no one pass through that gate, no matter what happens.
Yes, sir. Come on.
Say, we're not going to take a plane, are we?
I should say not.
I wonder what keeps them up.
I don't know, but I know what keeps me down.
Me too. Good old terracotta for me anytime. Promiscuously.
Georgette, darling.
Now I'm so happy. At last I'm here with you. Have you missed me?
Every day has been a year, darling. I'll bring the car for you. Wait here just a moment.
Could you tell us the way to the railroad depot?
Monsieur Hardy.
Georgette, so you've changed your mind. Darling, I forgive you everything.
Say, I thought you said you'd forgotten it.
Don't be silly. How could I forget my little Georgette? Oh.
Oh, monsieur,
I understand. Stanley, we wish to be alone. Come on. Go ahead. Come on. Oh, darling. Oh, this is... Oh.
Oh, please, Monsieur Hardy.
What's the big idea?
The idea is that this lady happens to be my wife.
Oh, is that so? Your wife?
Yes, you would-be homewrecker.
Francois, please don't. He did not understand.
Kindly step into the car, my dear. I want to speak to this gentleman alone. Now, once more, I'm going to give you a piece of advice. Keep away from my wife. If I ever see or hear of you being in her presence again, I'll see to it that your worthless carcass lies sizzling in the desert sun at the mercy of the vultures. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Hey, mister, you don't have to worry about us. We're leaving right now, aren't we, Ollie?
We certainly are.
Yes, sir.
Fall in.
Who's he talking to?
Fall in. What do you mean, fall in? We're through. Didn't you get our note? Yes, I got your note, and when you signed it, you signed your own death warrant. You're under arrest for desertion. Now, fall in. Throw them into jail and have the guard to keep a close watch on them.
Yes, sir. Foreign. Out.
Two deserters. Deserters, eh? Come on, I'll show you to your suite. Get in. Hey, come on, you. Get in.
Don't push me.
Revolution, eh? Huh. I'll see you at sunrise. I'll show them where they get off at.
Well, what did we do?
What did you do? Why, you know... What you... Get in there. Get in there.
Hey, mister.
What?
You forgot your keys. Look.
Why don't you keep your mouth shut? The prisoners have been found guilty and will be shot at sunrise. There's a nice pickle we're in. Shot at sunrise.
I hope it's cloudy tomorrow. Say, Ollie.
What?
Do you still want to come back as a horse?
I don't care if I never come back.
I'll play you another one now.
Shut up! Go to sleep!
Well, guess we better get some sleep. Won't be long for that. Something. Hey. What? Get in there. What for? Shh, never mind what for. Hurry up. Come on, get in. There's a little fella. No, take this candle. Shh, now go ahead. we going? This tunnel leads to the outside wall. We're making our escape. Well, are we allowed to do that? Go ahead. You're allowed to do that. Isn't this fun? They don't know where we are. It sure is. I'm dying with laughter. Go ahead. Do that to me. Don't you hear? See what you've done? Now we've got to dig our way out. Go back to the cell and get those 10 plates.
I don't want to go back to the cell.
Will you hurry? This is our last chance. Why do I have to always do everything? Yes. Always me. Me. Put your head down. Never you. Bring the prisoners. Yes, sir.
All right, come on, you. The sun's up. Come on. Oh! Come on. Escape. What? Give me the commandant.
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
What? The prisoners have escaped. Then find them.
Yes, sir.
I want both those prisoners brought back dead or alive. Call out the entire post if necessary.
I wonder what time it is.
How do I know?
We should be beyond the wall by now. Seems like we've been working.
I guess you're right. We better start digging up.
It's a good idea, man.
Oh, stop all this nonsense now.
Don't you dare go back to Paris again and leave me alone, see?
Darling.
Bring up a bottle of that special vintage wine from the cellar, will you?
Yes, sir.
Why? Will you get out of here?
I'm not
It's
trying
not
to
my
help.
time to get dressed. Come in and annoy me. Now go.
I wonder where we are. Maybe some saloon outside the fort. See if the coast is clear. I don't want to see if the coast is clear. Open it.
Georgette, may I come in? Georgette? You all right?
At a time like this, you had to do that. Quick, help me get her on the bed. Get her feet. Quick, get me a glass of water.
Look out.
Don't do that!
What is the meaning of this?
What'll we say? You think up your story. I've got mine.
Now pay strict attention, all of you. The men who were to be shot this morning have escaped. Be sure all gates are closed and make a thorough search of the entire barracks. Whoever brings them back will be given a reward of 6 weeks' furlough. That's all.
slip. Good, now let's get out of here.
I'm over here. Well, here's another nice mess you've gotten me into.
Ollie, is that really you?
Of course it's me.
Gee, I'm glad to see you.